Hello friends, in this lecture we will see guide curve, fixed axis guide curve, and I have created two machining area. This is the one and second is this. So I'm going to create tool path on these two area and I have already created a tool. So this is my tool. So how to generate tool path for this? Just go to this operation and my operation is fixed axis guide curve and this is a finishing operation and I'm using this 10 ball mill and my machining geometry is area 1 this area and click OK. So area is by default selected because I have already created a machining area. This is my machining area, so no need to select here. And from the main I'm changing this drive geometry to constant offset and keep this cut side to both and click guide curve to this upper one. Okay, this is my guide curve and cut pattern zigzag or we can use zig, anyone you can use. Along guide, so along guide the tool path will generate and it will start from right to left and exact step over 1 mm. Okay, and some more changes from the non-cutting move on this smooth connection and from the transfer and rapid smooth corner. Okay, now generate. This is very good operation, fixed axis guide curve, because we can control our direction, our order, our area under the guide curves. We can control and generate this kind of tool path. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is jig way. Okay, or if I'm going to change this to zigzag, then go to main and from here I'm using zigzag, generate. Okay, so this is a zigzag way. Okay, and I want to create the tool path for this second area. So click and my program is finish machining and tool is same and this time machining area is mill area 2 and change is to constant both and my curve is this lower one. Change it to zigzag along guide from right to left exact 1 mm as a step over and from non-cutting override with smooth connection, so connection will connect smoothly and rapid and transfer move make them smooth corner and generate. Okay, so this is a second and if you want to see just replay. Okay, Okay, and here by lane or by region, so I'm changing it to region. Let's see the difference. Now replay it. First it is cutting in the first region, then it is switching to the another region. Okay, so this is the fixed axis guiding curve toolpath.